All right, this is a pretty interesting watch because it's simply titled Casio 10-year battery, which the title in itself is a good selling point, I feel. Let's take this off. It's the original packaging here. I chose the khaki color because I like that. It's got this protective thing there. But what I like about these Casio watches is they're made in the same factory as the G-Shocks, which are my favorite watch, super durable. 10-year battery life. So it comes with those small CR2032 batteries, and that'll last you 10 years. So it's stopwatch, dual time, 5 alarms. It's got an LED backlight. We'll try that out. And really wide face. So really cool watch. I like the khaki color because it's kind of that flat, dark earth tactical look, but this would be a great gift for somebody. I definitely recommend it. All right, there's the backlight. Pretty cool. I like it.